Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Quicksilver. To begin, understand that Quicksilver is a powerful native Tier 2 character. Your journey starts by conquering certain World Boss Ultimate challenges. Once unlocked, you'll earn his biometrics by defeating him in combat. You will need a significant number of biometrics, specifically 1,600, to recruit him into your roster. This process requires patience and consistent effort, but the reward is a truly exceptional character. To unlock Quicksilver, your initial task is to defeat Thanos in World Boss Ultimate a total of 5 times. This is a critical prerequisite that makes Quicksilver available as a world boss for you to challenge. Once unlocked, you gain the opportunity to battle him 3 times every single day. Each successful victory against Quicksilver will reward you with the necessary biometrics, bringing you closer to adding this speedster to your team. When you successfully defeat Quicksilver in World Boss Ultimate, you will receive 10 biometrics for each victory. To fully recruit him, you need a grand total of 1,600 biometrics. This means you will need to win approximately 160 battles against him. Make sure to use all your available daily entries to challenge him, as consistent effort is key to accumulating the biometrics quickly and efficiently, bringing him to your side. Once you have successfully recruited Quicksilver, he will immediately join your roster at 6 stars. However, his journey doesn't end there. Advancing him further requires a significant investment of gold and various crucial materials. You will need substantial quantities of black antimatter and different types of Norn stones to enhance his abilities. Ultimately, you can further advance him to Tier 3, unlocking his full potential and making him an unstoppable force on your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.